free audio library.
Hi subscribers and viewers of my channel, welcome back. So today's tutorial is simple. It's all going to be about how you can record sound and be able to edit it with Audacity. Audacity is an open source software which enables you to easily record sounds, edit the sounds, and then you can manipulate the sounds according to the way you want it to be like. So I'm going to carry you through how this actually works with an example. So kindly relax and then watch what I do. Okay, so this is it. Actually I got this download from online and it's the version 3. Yeah, it's the version 3 actually. So this is it, is the version 3, which comes with other features. So example, I want to record a sound and then be able to edit the sound, and then we see how it works. Okay, so let me quickly record a sound and then we can see how it feels like. Okay.
So still all that you can, the magic you began. Let's shout, break out, come on once again, let's hear it. Boom machale, boom machale, boom machale, boom machale, boom machale, boom machale, boom machale. Boom machale, boom machale, boom machale, boom machale, boom machale, boom machale, boom.
Okay, now this sound has been recorded. Okay, so we are going to see how it works. We are going to actually see how we can edit this sound to use it for our purpose. Okay, so let me quickly put on my Bluetooth device, connect to it, and then we'll proceed. And mind you, Audacity is an open source software and it's free. Alright, it's connected. Okay, so let's see.
So still all that you can, the magic you began. Let's
Alright, so our video recording is done here. Okay, we want it to gain. We want it to be like, we want it to sound louder than it's sounding. Okay.
So still all that you can, the magic you began. Let's shout, break.
Alright. Now the next thing is we want to be able to example, let's we want to listen to a particular side of the recording. So this is all we have to do. You select the particular place and then you stretch it to the exact place you want to listen, or maybe you want to edit or cut or whatever you want to do.
Shout, break out, come on. Shout, break out, come on. Shout, break out, come on.
Okay, so let's say I want to cut this particular side off from here, so I need to just select where I want to cut off, and then I can so simply I need to select the place I want to cut it off. Okay, good. So I've cut this side off. Now in case I want to copy this particular side, I can just come up here and copy it up, and then maybe. Okay. So if okay, I can copy that and then just simply paste it here. Simply paste it at the side I want it to be pasted. So I want it to be pasted here. Okay. So I simply paste my stuff here, and I have my audio here. Okay. Okay, good. So it worked. The next thing is to let's try and manipulate this sound. Let's try and manipulate this sound by going to generate. Generate tone. So I want to generate a tone from what I've just created. Okay, yeah, so the frequency, let me generate this tone from here. Okay, good. Let me generate the tone. Okay. So these are some of the ways you can actually manipulate the sound. Okay, there are more stuff to it. Let's also check this up. Sine, square. Okay, let me add this. Let me do this. Linear, logarithm. Okay, and let's see what happens. Good. So, you know, basically these are some of the ways you can manipulate sound with. You can use Audacity to manipulate all these sort of sounds. Okay, let's check the other ones. Maybe noise. We just want to generate a kind of noise. Let's see what happens here. You know, so you can use Audacity to do a lot of things with regards to sound, our voice, and other stuff. Okay, so let's see what we can do again. Let's go for silence and see what happens. Nothing will work. So it's dead silent, nothing happens. Okay, so let's go back to our default. What next? We can reduce the noise. Okay, we can actually reduce the noise. So let's try and reduce the noise from here. Redo noise. Sorry, it's actually redo noise. Okay, so mix effect. You know, you can add effects to it. You know, let's say repair. Okay, so you can actually repair a damaged audio with Audacity. If we move on to this side of it, I can give it treble or bass according to how I want it. You know, it's all about manipulating the sound. Okay, so let me reduce this gain so that the noise doesn't make so loud. Alright, so there are more stuff you can actually do with this. mix and render, mix and mono, you know.
So still on,
You can do a lot of
so
things.
still on that you can.
Okay, you can actually record a voice and insert it into wherever you want to insert in this scenario. It has a lot of features you can use. You know, musicians can use this software, including YouTubers and all those that has got to do with using voice and audio. Okay, now we can, you know, go ahead and reduce the noise here. You can reduce the noise.
So still on that you can. The magic you began. My Charlie, my Charlie, my Charlie.
No, it's a very good software, and I recommend folks to actually download and use it more for their voice recordings and editing. I'd wanted to do something, but it's asking me to zoom in until I can, you know. Okay, I've zoomed in. Alright, wow, I like this software. You can actually do singular sounds manipulation. Wow, I like this. Oh damn. Wow. Wow. I like it. Oh, I like this software. I like this software. So let me try it and see if what I just did works.
So still on that you can. The magic you began. My Charlie, my Charlie, my Charlie.
Wow. I like this software. It makes things easy. I like this software. Wow. I would like using this software anytime I have to edit my sounds and voices. Wow. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot.
So still on that you can. The magic you began. My Charlie.
I like this software. So good. You know, it has a lot. It has a lot you can do. You know, it says beat finder, so you can actually find a beat from this. So let's play this.
So still on that you can. The magic you began. My Charlie, my Charlie.
I like this software a lot. It has a lot of things you can actually use to manipulate your sounds, remove unwanted sounds, redeem it, not fit. You know, you can actually separate sounds. Okay, as in you can separate the beat and the voice using this software. It's very good, and I like it a lot. You can try download and then go through it and then see how you can use it for your voice recordings, your audio stuffs. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. This is Order City.
Free audio library.